My name is Abhay and in this video I will show you how to change background color in Origin like this. Either you can fill single color or multiple colors like this. Let's get started. So we have a blank graph with no background. To add the background, click inside the chart area. And now you will see here the option of fill color. Click on this downward triangle and you will see many colors. If you select any one color amongst this, the background will be filled with that color. But remember, this method only is useful if you want to fill only single color. If you want multiple colors, then double click and this time you will see the option of gradient fill. Under the mode option here, select two colors and select the second color. First color is the green one that we have already selected. This time I will select the second color yellow and you can see the preview here. If you click on this box, you will see different patterns of gradient fill, how they will look. Select the pattern you like the most and then click apply and OK, and the background color will be filled accordingly. If you don't want any background color, then you can just click inside the chart area, click on the fill color option and select the option none to remove the background color in Origin. Now check out these useful videos that will show you how to fill area under the curve in Origin or how to change line color in Origin. If this video solved your problem, comment below and let me know, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon so whenever I publish a new useful video like this, you will get the notification immediately. See you again in the next video.